Hello everyone. In previous video we have studied about pandas module and using of series dictionary, and in this video we will learn about some special module. So guys, we will enter to the Python module and we will go to file, and we will enter some codes for range function. So from here I'm going to create a range function. We will create a series using range function. So we will enter import pandas as pt, and we will enter series, and so guys, just enter the codes as I am entering on computer. For this uh, range you have to enter uh, uh, the information for the function where you want to limit that range. So I have written this from 115.3 to the index for x in the a b c d e. So let's see, it looks good, it will run. I'm gonna run this. I will save this. Look, the number has appeared, and alphabets with ABCD which I have entered in the index form has appeared here. We have learned range function, and now we will learn about numpy. So numpy is basically a module which comes with pandas. It if Italy main function is to enter numbers in digits order. That's why it is called as numpy. Numpy is basically stand for number, and py stand for Python. So numerical Python. Okay guys, so we will create a code for uh, Python using numpy. So creating code 3, we will enter import pandas as pd, and we will enter import numpy as np, numpy as np, and we will enter pt dots series, with different numbers. I am entering random number. You can enter as per your wish. Okay, here I am entering a np.9. It is a empty attribute in numpy library. It means that its value is missing, so the results will be empty there. I have entered the code and I will run this. Look, you can see the results are 7.5, 5, 4 and 9 and minus 3, 5, 34.5 as I have entered there, and it gave the same result. So guys, we will enter one more code. Create a code for the same just enter the numbers as per your wish and enter the code. Okay, I'm going to run this. I will run this module. So everything is good. Let's run this code. We will run this code and look, it entered the index A, B, C, D, E in the same sequence with the numbers which I have entered there. Okay guys, so after this we will create one more code using Python. And so basically we will create a code using a NumPy. First of all, you need to understand what is NumPy. NumPy is basically a attribute in the pandas which is basically used for numerical digits. Numerical digits mean 1 2 3 4, just like that, and it is named as NumPy because NumPy stand for numerical and py means Python. So I am entering here a code, and on the basis of this code we will learn this attribute. Okay, I am entering some digits. You can enter as per your wish. I am using here a 9 attribute np.9. It is basically a pandas attribute in which it stands for a missing data. I mean, if there is no any data to the Python results, it will appear np.9. Okay, and from here we will proceed. We will print this. Look, the results has came, and here, as I have told you, the attribute of 9 will appear if there is no any value. So you can see. So guys, this is the only thing. Let's go for another code. I am entering here import pandas as pd and pd.series. I am entering normal digits. You can enter as per your wish. Okay, look, it has came, the results are there. So guys, now we will enter next code using index function. From here I will enter the attribute name, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. One more is there, no? So sixth. And from here we will print this series. Okay, look, results are came there. The index are written in the first, second, third and fourth format. You can see. Now we will do next. So guys, for understanding these codes, you just not need to remember, you have to practice a lot. Okay, so guys, here from here I am entering the series. You can also enter yours series function, and I am entering the random number. You can enter as per your wish. Okay, so we will execute this. Look, results are came. Here you can see the series are written in the same format which I have entered in this line. So guys, this is it. Now we will learn next. We will use a index value for entering pandas. In short, one more code. So from here I am entering the series. You can enter as per your wish. And from here I am entering the so from here I am entering this D value, and from here the value of the index of D will appear here. Okay guys, you all are getting my points? If you are having any doubts, then you can ask me in comment section. Okay, so from here we will create one more code for accessing data from series with position. Okay, so we will here enter import pandas as SPD, and we will enter here series. And here I am entering the alphabets A, B, C, D, E. You can enter as per your wish. Okay. Bracket I have entered twice, so this is not giving the results, so it's no problem. I will enter once again. So guys, these are the things you need to learn. uh, you need to execute the program and you need to learn from your mistakes. Okay. So from here I will enter pd.series. One comma 2 and 3. And enter the text index. B and C and D and E. So I have closed this bracket and I will enter this. Okay. Is it giving me any error? No. Let's proceed. I will print this one. Zero command. Look guys,